Hello everyone, this is Subroto and today we are going to talk about web apps. Now, what this is about? This is a machine learning app that has been made to analyze the images of upper torso, images that are specifically X-rays to be specific, and you analyzing them we use machine learning to predict if some person has pneumonia or fibrosis or some other disease, whatever it be it. That has been classified using machine learning, and we use transfer learning to use previously build machine learning models and extend it for our use. Alright, so now let's get started with using this web app. So we need to sign up. Now let's see, we have included these options as of now, so let's provide the name. Dummy phone number, dummy email too, now some password. Sorry. Okay, and here we go. Alright, as you can see, if we have configured our web host to send emails, then it would be sending out emails to our recipients. But as I am hosting it at on my PC, that is on the local host right now, so it would be sending an email. But we have signed in and we can now sign in. Okay, so our dummy email, the password, and confirm. Okay, we have successfully signed in. Now pay with card. This app uses Stripe, which is a payment gateway, but it is not available in India right now. But we can configure it to use Paytm if we wish to. Let's proceed with Stripe. As of now, we have launched it in test mode. So the dummy email, dummy card number 2, and pay. This should do it. Alright, now we need to upload the X-ray image of the upper torso for it to be analyzed and for the app to give its prediction. So we upload it, and submit query. Now as we can see in the terminal, the app is running right now, and it would run the machine learning model on it to give the predictions. Let's wait for some minutes. It seems like the system has frozen. Okay, we would be skipping it. Alright, as we can see, the work has been done. And here we have our result. The model states that this image has likelihood that the person has 98% chances of having pneumonia. If you would like to go this app into production, please do write in the comments below, and thank you for giving your precious time. That's it. Let's sign out now and end this video. Okay, we have signed out.